One of the reasons people lose access to their pages and ad accounts is because they set them up the wrong way in the business manager. Yes, in this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step how to correctly add a Facebook page and also another account to your business manager account or your business portfolio in a way that everything will be secured, organized, and ready for you to run ads. Yes, all these will be done without you risking losing your ad account, your Facebook page, or even your business manager account. This is episode 2.2 of our Facebook Ads Masterclass 2026. If you are just joining us here in this video, you have missed a whole lot about how to professionally run ads in this year 2026. Down there in the description, you'll find a link to the playlist where you have all the previous episodes that we have actually touched. This is the one-stop free class that would help you run ads professionally. Now let's jump straight up into adding up a page into our Meta Business Manager or our Meta Business Portfolio. In the previous lesson, I showed you exactly how to create a Meta Business Manager account and also how to create different business portfolios in that lesson. If you didn't see that lesson, please go back so you can see exactly how to step-by-step create different business portfolios under your business manager. Now, we are going to be adding a Facebook page to the dry cleaning business portfolio. And in this context, we are assuming that somebody contacted us for us to run ads for their dry cleaning page. For example, Mr. A owns this laundry business titled V.S.L Concept Laundry, and they want us to run ads for them. What we are saying is we need to add the Facebook page to this business portfolio. So how can we do that? The first thing first, to ensure that we've selected the business portfolio we want to add it on, now go over to settings here. Once you click on settings, you would now be able to come over to what? Pages. As you click on pages, you will now have the opportunity of adding a Facebook page under this particular business portfolio that we are talking about. Click on add page and you will see three different options of adding a page. The very first option is to add an existing Facebook page that you own. The second is to do what? Request shared access to a Facebook page. And the third is to create a new Facebook account, Facebook page. So if you do not have a Facebook page at all, it is now time for you to do what? Click on create new, follow the prompt, and create a new Facebook page. Also in the description below, I've shared a link that shows you step by step how you can professionally set up or create a brand new Facebook page for yourself. So now we are going to be adding what? An existing Facebook page to this business portfolio. Once we click on this, we're expected to do what? Put in the Facebook page name or the URL here. Now, if I go over here and copy this URL and come back here and paste URL here, it will bring up this page. But as I click on it and click on next, you're going to see something is going to happen. To say unable to add Facebook page because it is only people with full control access to that page that can add it into the business portfolio. So the request was rejected. I am not able to add this Facebook page to this account. So why? This is simply because the owner of this business manager, who is the owner, which is who? Dorcas, is not an admin on this Facebook page. The owner of this business manager, which is Dorcas, is not an admin on what? This Facebook page. So before you'd be able to add any page on your business manager account, on any business portfolio, you must be an admin on that page. Now, this provides answers to the question where people ask, must I give an advertiser access to my Facebook account, my password and email address, my password and phone number before they can run ads for me? The answer is no. All you just need to do is what? Make them an admin on the page. They will be able to do what? Add the page to their business portfolio. It's as easy as that. So now, who owns this page? This page is owned by Mr. Richard Esemuru. Now, Mr. Richard wants to do what? Wants to contract Dorcas to run ads for him. So what we're saying is Dorcas must be an admin on this page titled what? V.S.L Concept Laundry. So how do we do this? Very easy. The very first thing you must do is to ensure that the two different Facebook accounts are friends on Facebook. What do I mean? If I swipe over here, you see that this is a Facebook account for Dorcas. Now, Dorcas and Richard, let me go back. Dorcas and Richard must be friends on Facebook before Richard will be able to do what? Add Dorcas to this Facebook page as an admin. So what do we need to do? Now I go back here, I'll just copy Dorcas profile, click on this, click on the profile here. I'll copy this link, copy the link, come back to Richard here, search for this, or I can just paste it on the URL so that I will see Dorcas profile under what? Richard's Facebook account. Then I'll do what? Click on add as friend. As I click on add as friend, I come back here to Dorcas account. I go to notification here. I'm going to see the notification that Mr. Richard have requested that you should be what? A friend on where? On Facebook. So when I come over here, I'll see the friend request. I click on confirm request. Once the request is accepted, Dorcas is now a friend of Richard on Facebook. Then we can now go over into the next step. Go over to home page and go to the Facebook page. This is the page here. Click on it. Once you click on the page, you will now see what we call professional dashboard. Click on professional dashboard. It will request to switch. Click on switch. After switching is to ensure that we go over to the section we call page access. Click on page access. Once you click on page access, so after clicking on this, you now see the opportunity to add people with Facebook access. Click on add new and then click on what next. Then you can now search for Dorcas Esemuru. So this is it here. This is the name here. Click on this. Click on allow this person to have full control. Click on give access. So once you give access, you put in your password to authorize. After doing that, click on confirm and automatically Dorcas will now have access to this what? Facebook page. So now we are under Dorcas profile. This is Dorcas profile. So if I now go over to pages here, click on see more, and I go to pages here, you will see that Dorcas have received an invitation. See invite here. Richie invited you to manage V.S.L concert laundry. Click on accept invitation, and then they will request for a code. Just put in the code. Now the code sent is 828733, 828733. Click on continue. So once you click on the home page and scroll down, you will now see that Dorcas basically have been added to what? The page as an admin. Let me go to pages again. You'll see pages you manage, V.S.L concert laundry, and we click over here, you'll see it is Dorcas Esemuru's profile. So I've just showed you basically how to become an admin on a page. It is simply the steps you have just seen. So after doing this, we can now go back again and then try to add the page again. First of all, let me reload this page. I'll reload this page now. After reloading, I come over here, click on add an existing Facebook page. Once I click on that, I go back here, click on this. I want to copy the URL, this URL of the page. I'll copy this. Now go back to my Meta Business Suite, paste this here. So once you click on this, we click on next. After clicking on next, we click on I agree and then click on add page. So now you're going to find that it said that your request is pending approval. What does this mean? It means that the person who actually gave you access to this page needs to accept that this page should be moved or you should be added to the page. Now, if you come over here, you're going to see a notification here that says Dorcas Esemuru requests to transfer the V.S.L content page to this business manager we are creating. So click on that notifications. It's going to take us straight up to the point where we're going to approve that request immediately. So you can see this is it. Now just click on approve. Continue. Approve request. So as you see here, the request has been what? Approved. So if I go back here and reload this page, the request has been approved. Now you would see a prompt here that says that there are some people who are already added to the business portfolio of this page, which is Mr. Richard's page, this laundry page. Some persons are added there. Do you want them to be able to also manage this business portfolio? The answer is no. I don't want anybody to know what I'm doing here. So I'll just delete this and also delete this from here. So I am the only person who have full control over this. After doing this, we are good to go. We have successfully done what? Added our page to where? Our Facebook business manager or business portfolio account. Now, what we have just done here basically shows that this page is what we'll be using to run adverts for this dry cleaning business. Now, if I also want to run ads for the V.S.L Digital Hub, I'll come over to this place again and do the same thing here. Yes, I'll come over here. You see V.S.L Digital Hub, ad page. Yes, I just need to come over here and follow the same process and do the same thing. Now, let us switch it back over to our dry cleaning business. We have successfully added a dry cleaning laundry Facebook page to this account. What's the next thing we need to add? We need to add what? An ad account. Remember, for us to run ads, we mentioned that we needed an ad account. We also need a Facebook account. So what's the next thing we need to do? Click on add here under ad account. At this time, we're going to be creating a new ad account. Now, if someone have an ad account they're using to run ads before, and they want you to run adverts for them from their ad account, all you need to do is what? Add an existing ad account or request access to an account in another what? Business portfolio. But we'll just create a new one here and just title it laundry. Laundry, the time should be Nigerian time. So you see Lagos here, just type Lagos, you see Lagos here, and the currency should be in Naira. Please do not make the mistake of running ads in dollar if you are using a Naira account. Click on next, and then we are going to go. Who manages this? My business. Click on next, click on I accept, and click on create ad account. Successfully, we have created an ad account for this business. Now you will see a prompt for you to add the payment information. Please keep that prompt because we won't be doing that for now. So guys, we have successfully done what? Created an ad account professionally and also added a Facebook page professionally to this business manager account. Now, when we go over to this section, click on this and click on Ad Manager here. So this is basically the ad manager that we have just created. Click on I accept for that prompt. So here is the ad account that we have just created, as you've seen. Now, we have so many things to teach you here. But for now, all you just need to do is what? Know that we have different business portfolios here. We have this business portfolio titled Dry Cleaning Hub, and we have this ad account we have just created under this business portfolio. Yes, we have successfully added our ad account and our Facebook page. Are we now ready to run ads? The answer is no. We now move over to the episode 3 of this Meta Ads Masterclass, where I'll be teaching you or showing you everything about Meta Pixels. How we're going to be setting it up step by step in a way that all the data of your ads will be tracked. Did you enjoy this content where I showed you step by step how to add a Facebook page, how to professionally add an ad account? Did you enjoy this video? Come on. If you are sure you enjoyed this video, do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also share this video so many other persons will be able to benefit from this content. And lastly, one more thing you should do. There are so many business owners who do not know how to run ads. You are learning it now for free. You have these business owners on your WhatsApp account. They are there watching your WhatsApp status. Why not help them? Just copy the link of this playlist. It's down there in the description. Copy that link of the playlist. Drop it on your WhatsApp status and say, this playlist is going to help you learn how to run ads effectively. Just do that and they will thank you for life. Come on. That is one way you show appreciation for getting all this for free. I would appreciate if you can do that immediately after this video. Share this playlist so that many persons will benefit from this course that we're giving out for free. Now, your business manager is now connected to your page and your ad account. That is a big step forward. Let us head on into episode 3, where we will now be professionally setting up our pixels, doing all the trackings we need to do for us to get real data on our ads. I will see you in episode 3. As I always say, if you are very fortunate, you'll see episode 3 video showing now on your screen. Click on that video. Let's go straight up into setting up our pixels. I'll see you in that next video.